Naturalistic Mega-Evolution has been falsified by its failed predictions. 3. In this video, we present 5 failed predictions to support the thesis mentioned above. This video series presents 22 failed predictions. Failed Prediction 11. Similar species share similar genes. Falsification. This prediction has been falsified, as many unexpected genetic differences have been discovered among a wide range of allied species. As one researcher explained, this goes against the textbooks, which say the genes encoding essential functions were created in ancient times. Pilcher. Helen Pilcher, All Alone, New Scientist, 2013. Failed Prediction 12. Micro-RNA. 2 basic predictions that evolutionary theory makes regarding micro-RNAs are that, A. Like all of biology, they arose gradually via randomly occurring biological variation, such as mutations, and B. As a consequence of this evolutionary origin, micro-RNAs should match evolution's common descent pattern. Falsification. Today's science has falsified both of these predictions. Micro-RNAs are unlikely to have gradually evolved via random mutations, as far too many mutations are required. Without the prior existence of genes and the protein synthesis process, micro-RNAs would be useless, and without the prior existence of their regulatory processes, micro-RNAs would wreak havoc. Given the failure of the first prediction, it is not surprising that the second prediction has also failed. The micro-RNA genetic sequences do not fall into the expected common descent pattern. That is, when compared across different species, micro-RNAs do not align with the evolutionary tree. Failed Prediction 13. Genomic features are not sporadically distributed. A fundamental concept in evolutionary theory is the inheritance of genetic variations via bloodlines. Falsification. It is now well recognized that this prediction has failed. Vertical transmission of heritable material, a cornerstone of the Darwinian theory of evolution, is inadequate to describe the evolution of eukaryotes, particularly microbial eukaryotes. Cats. Cats L. Lateral gene transfers and the evolution of eukaryotes, theories and data. International Journal of Systematic and Evolutionary Microbiology, 2002. Failed Prediction 14. Gene and host phylogenies are congruent. Falsification. This is now known to be false. As one study explained, perhaps most unexpected of all is the substantial decoupling, now known in most, although not all, branches of organismal life between the phylogenetic histories of individual gene families and what has generally been accepted to be the history of genomes and/or their cellular or organismal host lineages. Reagan, McInerney, and Lake. M. Reagan, J. McInerney, J. Lake. The Network of Life, Genome Beginnings and Evolution, Philosophical Transactions of the Royal Society, 2009. Failed Prediction 15. Gene phylogenies are congruent. Just as evolution predicts that gene trees and species trees should be congruent, it also predicts that different gene trees should be congruent. Falsification. As more genetic data became available, it became clear that different genes led to very different evolutionary trees. As one study explained, the sequences of genes often disagree and can seldom be proven to agree. Doolittle and Baptiste. It is now well understood that gene and genome trees conflict at many levels, Haggerty et al., and that incongruence between gene trees is the main challenge faced by phylogeneticists in the genomic era, Gaultier and Dobbin. Of Doolittle, E. Baptiste, Pattern Pluralism and the Tree of Life Hypothesis, Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, 2007. N. Gaultier, V. Dobbin, Dealing with Incongruence in Phylogenomic Analyses, Philosophical Transactions of the Royal Society, 2008. Conclusion. 1. Naturalistic Mega-Evolution has been falsified by its failed predictions. 2. So given the failed predictions above, why do evolution believers still cling to naturalistic mega-evolution? Mega. The answer is that mega is based on atheist faith. 3. Naturalistic mega-evolution has been falsified by math, logic, and scientific evidence, as we have discussed in various videos. The fact that evolution believers still cling to mega shows that mega is really a metaphysical interpretive paradigm, an atheist creation myth that is immune to all contrary evidence due to atheist blind faith. Thanks to Dr. Cornelius Hunter, PhD in biophysics and computational biology, for the list of failed predictions, and to Michael Moat for summarizing the information. The conclusions are mine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.